But hey everybody, I got some real good news for you guys. Number one, we came here to adopt Diamond, and someone else who was a private adopter wanted Diamond and adopted Diamond. Great. So what happened was, I was in the room where Diamond was, and whenever that happens, I always go, well, why leave empty-handed? If I was going there to get one dog, well, we might as well get another. So, without further ado, look who I got with me. Look who I got. Look who I got is. Look who I got is from the shelters. Look at that. Look at the ice. 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 Everybody meet Brownie. Brownie is 8 years old, and what captured us, and what captured our heart, is the fact that he has become an urgent dog because everyone was passing up on him because he has a level 5 heart murmur, which means he needs to be restricted on all of his activities. He's kind of like an old man who's had a heart attack. He's got to just sit around the house and not do much. So everyone was kind of like, all right, we don't want him, you know. Throw him in a backpack. He'll be good, you know. Get him in one of those carrying things when you go hiking. He can go hiking with ya. Yes, yes, yes. And on top of that, he's a cuddler. He's a super cuddler. He doesn't even know me that well, and he's giving me the kisses. He's giving me the kisses, and he's a cuddler. He's a cuddler, and he's cute. Yes, he is. And he's now safe because he's part of Team Urgent Dogs of LA. Now we're going to go to the VCC. We're going to check to see if that heart murmur is a level 5. We're going to verify. We are going to put him on heart medication, liquid form, because they give those really big pills out, and those are like awful for these dogs. So we are taking him now to the VCC to get checked out because he's a little cutie. And he's getting the lovin's, and he's getting the lovin's, and he's getting the lovin's. Yes. Yes. Alright, so let's let you a better view. There he is. There he is. Everyone at the shelter loves him, and they were telling us everyone was passing up on him because of this highly rated level of heart murmur that he has, 5 out of 6. 6 is the highest. So he has some issues with his heart. We're going to check it out thoroughly. We're going to make sure that, you know, he's not suffering and he's doing good, but he seems to me like he's a good boy. He loves to cuddle in, and he loves to kiss you. He loves to be real close to you. He's available for adoption. I came here to help out another Chihuahua, and that dog wasn't available. So, with that being said, we got out this Brownie, okay? So Brownie is a sweetie. He's a sweetie. And we're going to help him. And I'm super happy about Brownie. Let's put him down here. See what he does. Oh, he's got his hand in my jacket. He's got his hand in my jacket. He's got his hand in my jacket. Huh? That's fine. Hand in my jacket.
He spent some time with some Girl Scouts one day.
Yeah. Spent time with the Girl Scouties.
That's probably where he got the name Brownie from. Probably Girl Scouts probably renamed him.
Alright, so here's what we'll do. We have the seatbelts back there, right?
Yes.
Alright, so I'm gonna put Brownie in the back here. We're gonna get him all secured. We can get him all secured to the seatbeltsies. Okay. Now he's all seatbelted up. safe. So he's in his seatbelt. Alright? He's wagging his tail. You see it? See him wagging his tailsies? He's wagging his tail. Yeah, he just broke out of the shelter.